Alright, so we're going to start by filling the biggest component, which is our case down here. And we're going to put a new computer in it. So we're actually going to repurpose this Ryzen 5 4500 in this much better B550M by Gigabyte. So we're going to install that now. And we have a much better looking kit of RAM, which is this G-Skill Trident Z RGB RAM. It's going to look great and much better than that green or black stick of RAM that CyberPower PC gave us, which is very ish. It's much faster as well with 32 megahertz. And we're going to use this SSD that we got from the 4060 build as well in this motherboard.